Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to remove Temu minimum purchase limit, especially if you're having trouble completing orders. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Temu app. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account that you normally use for purchases. Step 2. In the bottom navigation bar, tap on the U tab. This will take you to your account menu, where all the personal settings and tools are located. Step 3. Once you're inside the menu, look near the top of the screen and tap on the Support Center button. This section is where Temu provides answers and customer service options. Step 4. Scroll all the way down in the Support Center. You'll see an option called Contact Us. Tap on it to move forward and open the message area. Step 5. In the message box, type something like, "Please remove the minimum purchase limit. I cannot afford it." Once you're done, send the message. After sending, what happens next depends on Temu's support team. Sometimes they may review your request, remove the minimum limit temporarily, or offer a different solution. However, it's important to understand this method does not always work for everyone. It's not a guaranteed fix, but several users have shared that it helped them reduce or bypass the limit in certain cases. So, it's definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.